Alright, so here we have this is stripped on the inside, and there's only one reason that happens. It's because this has not been tightened up a lot when you start using this part here. So it's very important to tighten this up very tight before you start extracting the pedal. Anyway, that didn't happen, so now it's stripped. So there's really one way to do this. It's the way I've done it before. You want to just take out the bottom bracket and everything all at the same time. Of course, you need to turn that over there, you can get to it easily. So you have to drill a little hole. This thing doesn't work. It's, you don't have to bother buying this. People on the internet have no idea what they're talking about. I can guarantee you that. Alright, so the reason we made a hole here is to get a bit of leverage, a bit of grip for the screwdriver. And then, of course, you got to make sure you turn it the right way so you're not wasting time. See, and there it goes. It turns. It's a slow process, but it's the best way to do it, believe me. And then you go drill another hole again. Eventually you'll be all the way around. And of course it just takes a bit of time. It's nice and loose already. So we just drill another hole. It's not easy, the drill bit is not exactly new. Again, and then we go a quarter turn again, and all the time it's getting looser and looser. It's just getting easier and easier. Now we just hope we have another hole coming up soon, hopefully, or maybe we have to make a new one again. I'll make one more. Alright, again this drill bit is not exactly new, which is unfortunate. Again. And there's the next hole. Alright, that's good. So now just go around and around and around. And it looks like this problem has been solved. That's it. Much easier like this. That's the way it's done. It's the best way to do it. That's it. There. All done. Junk. There. That's probably broke because I used that other tool recommended on the internet that nobody's ever used before because it doesn't work. But this is it. This is garbage and that's garbage, but that's okay. We saved the bike. Alright, now we finished here, taking this part out. That's it. Clean up the inside, it's very important. Alright, now we grease it up. Nice. Now we get the new bottom bracket. This is Shimano BBUN55, they're the best ones. I'll show you why. This part, this part right here, it's aluminum instead of plastic. Plus it got a seal on there, the white stuff, to make it waterproof. Yes? Okay. Alright, so you start off by putting in this piece, and you want to use your hands, just to make sure it goes in there properly, not at an angle. That's it, that's good. Got a special tool for that. And not all the way yet, tighten it up once we're done on the other side. Alright, now we do the other side. It's always important to remember to put on the chain guard holder. So, sometimes you forget and then you have to do everything over again. And you have to kind of line it up, it should fit in right on the other end. And once again, you just want to use your hands. So you know for sure it's in the right position, and it is. So that's it. And then use the tool. Put this kind of in the right position like that. Still good. Now you want to put on the chain guard, because this can only be in one position. So now we put on the chain guard. Alright, so the chain guard is back on. It's nice and tight, nice and tight. Put on the new sprockets, bottom brackets in place. And we saved the other pedals, of course, because these things are not being sold as pedals. So that's it. Then we have to put on the gear thingy, derailleur. And that's it. It's a lot of work for making one mistake.